With my project calendar established, I'm now ready to insert my tasks. Under the column heading Task Name, I'd like to put 3 main tasks, and these include pre-planning, event preparation, and event wrap-up. What I have in front of me is I have first of all an indicator column, and this is clear at the moment, but we'll keep an eye on the indicator column. Then I have a task mode column. The task mode column tells me whether these tasks are automatically scheduled or manually scheduled, and I can tell looking at these symbols that these tasks are automatically scheduled. I'm able to click and I'm able to change that to manually scheduled, which shows as a pin. But what I'd like to do is put them back to automatically scheduled so they automatically go to the correct date based on the relationships and the duration of the tasks. Also, I can see that each task has a duration of 1 day, and the presence of a question mark tells me that project entered that 1 day, not me. And each one of my tasks is currently starting on the 29th of the 7th, which is great. I can't really see the bars on my Gantt chart, so what I'm going to do is click on one of these tasks, and on the Task tab in the ribbon to the far right in the Editing group, I'm going to click the Scroll to Task button. What this does is bring the tasks into view so I can see them on my Gantt, and here are my 3 tasks here. I'd now like to insert 8 more tasks, and I'd like to insert them below pre-planning. So I've clicked on the task below pre-planning, which is event preparation. On my keyboard, I'm going to press the Insert key 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The Insert key on your keyboard is the quickest way to insert tasks. Now I'd like to have initial planning meetings, selection, hire, and some more tasks. Now these 8 tasks that have been just inserted in rows 2 to 9, I'm going to highlight these 8 tasks. These tasks actually belong under pre-planning, so I want to indent these tasks. What you do on the Task tab in the ribbon and in the Schedule group is you click the Indent button. When I indent the tasks, you'll see they go under pre-planning. If I want to outdent them, I'll click this Outdent Task button. Notice also the shortcut keys. If I want to use shortcut keys to indent these tasks, I'll press Alt-Shift right arrow. So Alt-Shift right arrow to indent and Alt-Shift left arrow to outdent. Now when I indent these tasks, what you'll notice is that pre-planning now is bold and has a minus. That means I can hit the minus and collapse pre-planning and hide the subtasks under pre-planning. I can hit the plus and expand pre-planning. So these tasks belong under pre-planning. You'll also notice on the Gantt chart that pre-planning is now a black sort of umbrella bar. This is a summary task, and these blue bars are subtasks. Summary tasks again can be collapsed and expanded. Notice also you can increase the width of certain columns. So I'd like to increase the width of the task name column by dragging the line between task name and duration to the right so that initial planning meetings fits on one line. What I'd ask you to do now is continue to add more tasks to this particular project until you end up with 41 tasks.